ప్రతి గృహము కుసుమహరుల నిలయమే, ప్రతి హృదయం కుసుమహరు నివాసమే.
ఈ కార్యక్రమ నిర్వహణకు తమ వంతు సహాయ సహకారాలు అందించిన భక్తులు, దంపతులు, గ్రంథకర్తలు, 2 తరముల నుండి కుసుమాల సేవకు అంకితమైన వారు ప్రొఫెసర్ ఎస్పి చారి గారు, వారి శ్రీమతి డాక్టర్ ఎస్ కుసుమకుమారి గారు, వారి కుటుంబ సభ్యులకు వారికి సకల శుభములు, ఆరోగ్యములు, ఇంకా అనేక కార్యక్రమాలకు సహాయ సహకారములు అందించే శక్తిని ఆ దంపతులకు ప్రసాదించమని దేవదేవులు, అవతార పురుషులు, ప్రేమావతారులు శ్రీ కుసుమహన్నాదులకు మా ప్రార్థన. శ్రీ కుసుమహన్నాదుల అద్భుత చరిత్రను దశ దిశల వ్యాప్తి చేస్తున్న మహత్తర కార్యక్రమము టీవీ మాధ్యమం ద్వారా ప్రపంచ ప్రజలకు అందించుతున్న మహిమోన్నతమైన కార్యక్రమంలోని విశేషములు శ్రీ హర్నాథ మహాప్రభువు భక్తులకు రాసిన లేఖలోని సారాంశము. పాగల్ హర్నాథ్ 3వ భాగం 76వ లేఖ. బాబా సుఖ దుఃఖాలు అనుభవించేందుకే ఈ శరీర ధారణ. అందువల్ల ఎప్పుడు ఏది లభిస్తే ఆనందంగా అనుభవించి దాన్ని పూర్తిగా నివృత్తి చేసుకోవడమే మంచిది. అనుభవించాల్సింది మిగిలి ఉంటే కర్మ కూడా మిగిలి ఉంటుంది. పార్థివమైన ఆలోచనలు శరీరాన్ని ఎలా జీర్ణింపచేస్తాయో కృష్ణుని గురించి ఆలోచనలు అదే విధంగా శరీరాన్ని, మనస్సును మాత్రమే కాక ఆత్మను కూడా వికసింపచేస్తాయి. నిజానికి ఈ రెండింటి పేరు ఆలోచనయే, చింతనయే. అయితే గుణగణంలో, ప్రభావంలో మాత్రం పరస్పర విరుద్ధాలు. చింతన ఒకటే అయినా అనుపాన భేదం వల్ల వేరువేరు ఫలితాలు ఉంటాయి. అందువల్ల సుఖంగా ఉండదలిస్తే రేయింబగళ్ళు కృష్ణుని గురించిన చింతన చేయటమే కర్తవ్యం కదా. నిత్యానందుని గురించిన చింతనయే నిత్యానందములకు కారణం అవుతుంది. మీ ప్రేమగు హర. ప్రతి గృహము కుసుమల నిలయము కార్యక్రమము 632 ఎపిసోడ్కు స్వాగతం, సుస్వాగతం.
మనవి ఆలకించవయ్య, మనవి ఆలకించవయ్య, ఓ కుసుమహరనాథ దయతోనా, మనవి ఆలకించవయ్య. అనవరతము నిన్నే తలచుచుంటినయా, అనవరతము నిన్నే తలచుచుంటినయా, నా మనవిని చేకుని వేగమేమో మ్రోమరవయ్యా, మనవిని చేకుని వేగమేమో మ్రోమరవయ్యా, మనవి ఆలకించవయ్యా, కుసుమహరనాథ దయతోనా, మనవి ఆలకించవయ్యా. నీ పాటలు, నీ మాటలు, నీ లేఖలు స్మరణ చేయు మదిరియవయా, నీ పాటలు, నీ మాటలు, నీ లేఖలు స్మరణ చేయు మదిరియవయా, నిరతము నీ కుసుమహరనామమే జపించు దీవెనీయవయా.
మహాప్రభువు 1896 సంవత్సరంలో గోమెల్లో జరిగిన వృత్తాంతము మరియు లీలలను తెలుపుతున్నవారు శ్రీ ప్రొఫెసర్ ఎస్వి చారి గారు. గత 70 సంవత్సరం నుండి కుసుమాల చరిత్ర లీలలను అనేక గ్రంథములుగా రచించిన భక్తులకు అందించిన గ్రంథకర్త 90 సంవత్సరములు పైబడినను అలుపెరుగక శ్రీ కుసుమనాథుల తత్వమును వారు జరిపిన అనంత లీలలను ఏ విధంగా వర్ణించుతున్నారో వినండి భక్తులారా.
Thakur Harnas was moving from Jammu to Srinagar based upon the instructions from the Zamindar of Commission, Maharaj of Kashmir, from winter capital to summer capital. In the initial stages itself, he felt uncomfortable, something, and then felt unconscious also immediately. When then his colleagues that accompanied him asked him whether to continue the journey or stop there. He said, I am feeling uncomfortable, but why don't you arrange a cart for me? I may sleep. I feel like sleeping. And then when a cart was arranged at a place called Domel, he slept on the cart, and immediately it was found, it was realized by the people, he has gone into Mahasamadhi. Mahasamadhi or a state of death. So this state of death or Mahasamadhi, transfiguration, that has happened to him. Earlier also it has happened as a trance, but that was not so serious. In fact, Ishwar Kumar Ghosh himself has written in his magazine, and Muhammad Baba has studied. I used to get into trance, it's true, but it was not trance at all. Sometimes I used to feel unconscious, but this time it was immediately different, and people immediately realized that he has developed symptoms of death. Symptoms of death, all sorts of symptoms, that is, a dead body exhibits after death are found in him. It was 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and they have no idea. They are going through the forest. This was an unknown place. They don't know what to do, and they cannot do anything to the dead body unless they take the permission from the authorities. Then what to do? They were worried, and then he just went into deep sleep or Mahasamadhi or death. And this was the situation of death. And then later, it is not premature to say, but later, after a few hours, he was reborn also. And it is a case of death and reborn. This was known as the Doman incident or Doman event. That they put him in the Tonga, and then continued their journey until they reached. They have no idea about it. They did not talk to him because he was a dead body. They were very much worried. They sat by side, and then they slept also. Got up in the morning. They were very much wonderstruck when they saw him. Originally he was of own color. They saw him in the morning in the sunlight. It was a molten golden yellow color. This is very unusual. This is uncommon. This is not an ordinary thing. This is the color of the God. He realized this was the color of the God. He became very great. And therefore, they reached Srinagar. After reaching Srinagar, he saw his own color. The color was golden color. It was in the form of a frame. It was well prepared. It's not like a human being. It was in the form of a frame, so that when you look at it, you should find it is something unusual and supreme and great. That was that time he went to Srinagar. After going to Srinagar, he met the authorities there, and this has happened to me. And then I cannot work. I don't feel like working. I cannot work also if I feel. I want 1 month's leave. They said they heard about his woman. And they took leave and they came back. He came back to his original place of that. And original place is for him. He was entirely, whether it is Jammu or Srinagar or entire Kashmir, it was a strange place. But he has developed some love for some places, and that is Rawalpindi. And then it was full of, most of them are Bengalis in Rawalpindi, working in the military department. He passed through Rawalpindi. His journey was from Jammu to Rawalpindi by train, from Rawalpindi to Srinagar by Tonga. So he stayed there for a day or two at Rawalpindi. And that was the point where, this is a very significant, he stayed in Rawalpindi. Harisabha devotees, Baba devotees, they were the lovers. Not only they were just devotees, they loved him, they treated him as a god. But he has said, don't treat me as a god, don't treat me as one of your colleagues only, one of your friends only. In fact, if you put in those days, if anybody put a question to Thakur Harnath, what is your best, that is the golden spot for you is the Rawalpindi. All the people loved him. As he requested them. And then you got one of the best, one of the closest friends of Radha Vallabh Sel as a brother, Krishna Vallabh Sel. Sri Krishna Vallabh Sel, they are brothers. Rama and Krishna were not brothers. So Radha Vallabh Sel was there. He used to address letters, Ram my dear Radha, my dear Radha. That was his closer. They used to sing, they used to dance. 2 days of stay. He left for Sonamukhi. While going to Sonamukhi, he started at Hathras. At Hathras, one or two important, I don't give details, but one or two important incidents had happened. That Purudi said the train is, a special train is coming and they asked for give me a ticket. And then one said, give me tickets, and then that fellow said, the train is already gone, therefore I cannot give. No, you give me, the train will come, and if that train, some special train will come. And exactly when he said like that, it has happened. You cannot but believe that this fellow is something phenomenal, something very great, because he is able to tell you what is unknown to others also. But before that, one thing is important. First, Hathras station, he went to Hathras station. He was told that the train was not there immediately. He gathered the people and he started extempore lectures on Lord Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. The religion here, there is no respect for people, respect for God, and therefore send somebody who can save the situation. So then in this Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came, and therefore at the invitation, at the request to God by Madhvaitacharya, loitering this way and that way, not impatiently but unhappily going. And then he wanted to find out why he was so unhappy, and then he entered into the house. When he entered into the house, that man, he saw him and then said, he lost his patience. Dwarkanath Mukherjee lost his patience, and you can't lose your patience against your boss. But he did. He lost his patience, and after that, when losing the patience, he has shouted, you came here, and now at this time I am not free, he said. As if that he was the master and this man is the man who came for some service or other thing. Then he did not say anything at all. Here as he maintained patience, he maintained patience. He did not utter a word. You have come here, you are not expected to be here. You are unwelcome here. And he said, say anything, whatever you want. I don't bother. I came here. I wanted to see. I saw you. You are uncomfortable or impatient. I don't bother. I came here because your son is not well. You may not, unless you go and see, you don't know whether your son is having temperature or not. And if he is having temperature, what is the temperature? You don't know. I can be anywhere in the world and see. Now your son is having temperature. His temperature is 101 or 101.2. Therefore I came here because I want to see. I want to cure him. I sat by his side and then touched his body, massaged his body, and then came back and sat without talking, without telling him how his son is there, because he did not ask him. And then after 10-15 minutes again he went inside and he saw the son was sweating, and then he realized that he was free from fever and he came out. Then, without sitting, he told him, Narkanath Mukherjee, your son is all right, he is sweating, take care of him, and then went away. So, you can lose your patience, you can be impatient also, different things. All these things are possible only for great people. One important statement he made, it's very good for all of us. A great man can behave like a fool. A common man cannot behave like a wise man. Example, so no miracles. In the case of Mr. Kameswari, why mass miracle is very, very famous. That tells us one or two important things. He has said, so don't think of me, but don't forget me. And therefore, you cannot forget me, you cannot think me, but then what can you do? What should I do? You ask him. What you do is, you follow what I say. You follow what I say, but what did I say? Don't think and don't forget about it. These two are the two things. Once it so happened that Kameshwari Ma, who was in Orissa place in Orissa, and her husband, Mr. Rao, was a railway employee. She was sick, she was staying with her parents, Narasimha Rao Garu, and then Narasimha Rao Garu was so rich that he promised to pay her worth of gold if anybody can cure her. I will give you her worth of gold if you can cure her, but nobody did that. And then suddenly one day, and then the doctor has pronounced her time is numbered. She has not 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, but only 1 day. Her numbering is also very simple, only 1 day. Harna said in the dream of the doctor, why did you forget me? I ask you not to forget me. I ask you don't think of me, because you cannot think. But why did you forget? I ask you not to forget. I'm sorry. Then I will definitely. And the next day morning, he told the father of the big college superintendent and the teacher. So both practically and theoretically he was a great man, but a devotee of this man. He forgot. And he did not forget. Even he was not a samana. Even he did not forget deliberately. And then Harana also did not allow him to forget deliberately, and therefore he went into his dream. So that if you listen to the story and if you remember, definitely you will always remember God. You will never forget Him. Even if you want, even if you have a need from Him, or even if you don't have a need from Him, you still remember. If you want to remember some strong incident, you must create, so that when he remembers, oh sorry, the doctor has forgotten. Next day, then when after telling him, you have forgotten, don't forget me once again, and reminded, and went into the dream of lady patient. Mummy or Ma, you are all right, you have nothing to worry, you are all right. And then I have come to treat you, I am treating, but I have to go away. This has happened exactly after his retirement in 1912. 11 and 12 he left Kashmir, went round the places, and then before reaching, last point is Sonamukhi, before reaching this thing, he had appeared in their dreams, the dream of the doctor and dream of the patient. And then by the time next day morning, the doctor went to tell her father to inform him and invite him, and then also to see, because only 1 day was given, whether she is dead or alive, he wanted to see. And then he saw her sitting on the cot. The fellow who was not able to move her body, her legs ought to be moved by somebody, Her hands are to be moved by somebody. And if she has to listen, somebody has to go near and tell her. Such a lady sat on the cot, holding a cup of coffee or tea, bread or biscuits, enjoying the morning breakfast. Then he realized, Baba, you are very great. You know how to teach, and you know how to teach and how to teach a lesson also. That also you know. I learned the lesson, I will never forget. He never forgot, because whenever his students were having patients in their houses and they were very much worried, don't be patient. You take the name of this person also. So I have propagated the name of Harana. Why should I forget?
శ్రీమతి డాక్టర్ కుసుమకుమారి 80 సంవత్సరములు పై ఉన్నను అలుపెరుగక మృదు మధురంగా గానం చేస్తున్న మధుర గీతం వినండి.
మా పరితాపము తీర్చెను వేగమే వచ్చినది మరువనురా హరా మా పరితాపము తీర్చెను వేగమే వచ్చినది మరువనురా హరా కరుణా సాగర సదయానను కృపచే నేలు కోర హరా నీ శుభ చరితము స్తవనీయం బని నాళేనే కనుగొంటిరా హరా నీ శుభ చరితము స్తవనీయం బని నాళేనే కనుగొంటిరా హరా నేను గని నమ్మిన భక్తుల బంధన తెచ్చినది విన్నానురా హరా నేను గని నమ్మిన భక్తుల బంధన తీర్చినది విన్నానురా హరా కరుణా సాగర సదయాలను కృపచే నేలు కోర హరా జనని కుసుమానాథుడవని నమ్మినానురా హరా రాజేశ్వరి మా జనని కుసుమానాథుడవని నమ్మినానురా హరా సద్గుణధామ సత్యదాస నను సరగుణ బ్రోవగ రారా హరా కరుణా సాగర సదయానను కృపచే నేలు కోర హరా కరుణా సాగర